A floating tabletop. It's also used for the Frogger assessment to see how well you can do the Frogger, how much strength you have there. Similar to the A-frame setup, our hands under the shoulders, slightly wider, fingers are splayed, knees under the hips, toes are tucked under. So as it suggests, floating tabletop, we're going to push the hands actively down. See how I round this upper area? I'm rounding the thoracic, but my head doesn't lift up, doesn't lower, it's more neutral. I'm squeezing my butt to tuck the tail under, and as I tuck that tail under, that will also contract the abdominals underneath, that core element there, and I'll slightly lift the knees. I keep squeezing my butt, keep pushing into the floor, keep rounding the shoulders. Maybe then taking the shoulders slightly forward of the fingers. You can see that slight movement, my knees lift a bit higher. If I lose that push, keep pushing down, squeeze your butt, come out when you need to catch a breath, shake the hands. We're trying to slowly build up strength in this position. So after taking a short break, you can come back and try it again. Hands push down, the thoracic, this part of my spine pushes up. I curve and round the upper shoulders. Squeeze my butt, tuck the tail under, lift the knees. I'm holding here, I'm bracing. Maybe the shoulders move forward. Keep breathing, keep pushing, keep that curve, keep squeezing the butt, then lowering down. Shake it out. Floating tabletop.